We can turn your phone into a wireless keyboard and mouse for Steam Deck within 5 minutes. If you don't have a Bluetooth keyboard or you are struggling with the Steam Deck on-screen keyboard, then I think this is an awesome tool to use. The keyboard input is perfect. I did not feel any laggy or delay. The touchpad input is slightly laggy, but definitely usable. We can use the keyboard at portrait mode or landscape mode. The area that above the keyboard will work like a laptop touchpad area. If you have a bigger screen phone, the experience will be much better. I have Galaxy Fold 3 here, and it works flawless. I really enjoy the combination of Galaxy Fold 3 and Steam Deck. Before we start the tutorial, I want to clarify that the KDE Connect is a powerful software, but with Steam Deck right now, transferring file between the Steam Deck and the smartphone is not working. If you have an iPhone, the KDE Connect will only has touchpad feature. The keyboard input is not available at this moment. Another nice feature that we can use is to use your Steam Deck find your smartphone. Just look at this. This feature is actually very useful. When you are gaming on your deck, you can easily locate where you left your phone. This is another excellent feature of KDE Connect. Now let's make this happen on your Steam Deck. Step 1. Set up sudo password for your Steam Deck. If you have already done this before, you can skip to step 2. Press the Steam button and go to Power. Then select Switch to Desktop mode. We are now at Desktop mode of Steam Deck. Click the Start menu. Under System, click Console. After the console is opened, type PASSWD. Then hit the Enter button on your keyboard. Now you are required to set up a password. Make sure you remember this password. It will not show anything even when you are typing your password here. Just please remember it for the future use. Just hit the Enter button on your keyboard after you type in your password. Retype your password again, and then hit the Enter button. It should say password update successfully. Now we can close this window. Now let's move to step 2, install KDE Connect. Click on the Start menu and go to System, then go to Discover. Once we get into Discover, then go to Settings on the left side. Then click Add Source on the top right corner. Copy and paste the link shown on the screen from my video description into this box. Then click Add. On the next pop-up window, we need to type in the sudo password we have set up in step 1, then click OK. Now move to the left top corner and click on the application. Type KDE inside of the search bar. Install KDE Connect first. Then install Indicator KDE Connect. After the installation is finished, we can now close the Discover. Now let's move to Start, then System. You should see 2 KDE Connects are show up here. Make sure you click and run the KDE Connect indicator. On the bottom right corner, you should see a new icon show up. That's the KDE Connector icon. Now we can move to our smartphone. Go to Play Store on your Android phone and then search KDE Connect. Install the KDE Connect app, then open up the app. Make sure the Steam Deck and the smartphone are on the same network. After the app is opened, you should see the Steam Deck under the available device. And then click on the Steam Deck. Then click Request Pairing. Now on your Steam Deck, you will get a notification and click Accept on your Steam Deck. Now you have successfully made a connection between your Steam Deck and the smartphone. Click on the Remote Input. You will be able to use the keyboard and mouse feature. I will just open a notepad to show that the keyboard is working fine. Here you go guys, now we can use the smartphone as a wireless keyboard and mouse. Also we can use our Steam Deck to find our phone. If you think what I just shared with you is helpful, please don't forget hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.